going to be preparing pork chops with braised cabbage. And the braised cabbage will have gala apples in them. So, let's get started. The recipe calls for the sage to be thinly sliced, and to thinly slice a leafy product is called chiffonade. Chiffonade. So what I'm doing is layering my leaves on top of each other, like such. Oh, wow, I love the smell of sage. I sage my house even, so I just love it. I like the cleansing fragrance of sage. So, okay, so now I have all my leaves, and I'm gonna fold it or roll it as best as you can. Try to stack it. If you have wider leaves, then roll it. Mine are not so wide, so I'm just folding it in half. And I'm just going to slice it very thinly. Now, my knife is pretty sharp, so please ensure that your knives are sharpened on a regular basis. So you just push down, basically using a rolling kind of. I'm going to be preparing pork chops with braised red cabbage. It's a nice light dish, quite honestly, and I am famished and I can't wait to get started. So my pans are already heated, so let's get going. Listen to the music, turn it up, you know how I roll. Turn your music up, pour yourself a glass of wine, get your pans hot, and let's get ready to cook, okay? All right, here we go. Now, the first thing I want to do is braise my cabbage because it takes so long. It's going to take about 30 minutes to braise my red cabbage. But I said I'm hungry, so I'm kind of munching as I go on the cabbage. So this pan is like wicked hot right now. So here we go. Clarified butter, ghee, onion. Get that in there. Like I said, this pan is wicked hot. It's like a wok right now. Wow. So, let me get this going. The onions, I want to kind of get them sauteed a little bit to soften because I don't want them to brown. I just want them to get nice and soft. And I love having a nice hot pan like this. This is how you cook. I do miss having a gas stove. One day I will get it back, y'all. I'm just saying. Like I said, it's just to soften. Wow, that pan is ready. Before I even put any oil in it. Ready for its chop. Alright, so garlic is in. Cabbage. That in there. Alright, so get that. Toss it around a little bit. I bought the Honey Crisp apples, 2 of those for this dish. 1 small red cabbage to 2. Let me put that. Got that going. 1/3 cup of red wine. tablespoon of red wine vinegar. That's going to get really sweet the longer that it cooks. And a quarter teaspoon of ground clove. I use my mortar to ground my clove because I had the whole cloves from Thanksgiving. So, why not? Wow. The cloves, the red wine. Oh wow. And the red wine, wow. Oh man. So now, I'm going to turn this down super low. Cover it. That song will never go out of style. I'm sorry. For real, I don't know how he stumbled upon that to create that song, but I gotta tell you, that song is timeless now. I hope he knows that, and I'm happy to be a fan of it. Every child, every person that will ever hear it, from the time it came out, will always be happy to hear it. Anyway, my red cabbage is going. That has to go for a total of 30 minutes. It's already been on probably 10 minutes. My pan for my chop is super hot. So I need to get that going. So, here we go. Clarified butter. Smoked up a little bit because it's hot. Down. Salt. Pepper one side. And put that in the pan. There we go. One side done. It's getting smoky in here, so that's what it's gotta be. Wow. All right, so I need to split my chop. Okay, now that they've been split, now I'm going to add my, what is this, half a cup of white wine, 1 2/3 cup of chicken stock, and I'm going to cover this so it'll cook for 20 minutes. And all I did was take 2 sheets of aluminum foil. My pan is too wide and I do not have a cover for it. So, 2 sheets of aluminum foil. Not even my sheet pan will cover this. My largest sheet pan that I have will cover this. So, I'm going to cover this. So, by the time the chops are ready, the cabbage should be ready as well. And then I'll uncover the cabbage to allow whatever residual moisture or juices that's in the pan to reduce down. And that's going to create a nice sauce in and of itself. And then my pork chops is going to be so tender. It's going to be like pork tender kind of tender. I pray. That's what I'm hoping for. That's what I'm looking for. And normally that's exactly the finished product that I would get whenever I use the steaming process to finish my cooking. After the 20-minute mark, of which I'm going to set right now, I'm going to uncover this. I'm going to remove the pork chops, and then I'm going to strain the liquid that's in the pan, then return that liquid to the pan with some cream and Dijon mustard and the chiffonade sage that I showed you earlier. So I'll come back in 20 minutes. This is my view when I'm preparing dinner. My husband is getting his swim in, getting his workout on after work. I love watching him swim. He's so good at it. I'm not a very good swimmer. Okay, let's get our pork chops back in our sauce, turn it off, flip it around, get it in there, good. Here we go. There we go. Nice coating. Woo! All right. All my pork chops is covered with the sauce. Okay. Let me give this a taste. Let's see. You see how tender that is? It's just falling off. A little bit of cabbage.